Hi everyone, today we're going to do this look with products from a company called GADE that I really like, and I hope you will enjoy this review that I'm doing and that you enjoy this look, though it's, for my opinion, a little bit bold for me, but I wanted to do the classic golden eyes, red lips look, so here it is. So the first product that I'm going to review today and that I got in the mail is this palette. It's called EXTATIC eyeshadow palette. I think it's very slick and elegant. I really like it. And these are the colors. As you can see, you have 4 mattes. This is a great color for base and transition in the crease. This is a beautiful color for the crease, and it is like nude peach. I don't know if the camera is really capturing the correct colors. We have here a beautiful raspberry, and this is a raspberry but with shimmer, metallic shimmery. This is a gold one and champagne one and a bronzish one, which are all shimmers, and there's a black matte. I think the colors are just, you can do anything, any look that you want with them, and they are very useful. Together with the palette, I got 2 brushes. Both of them are great for just putting the eyeshadow all over the eye, and especially shimmery eyeshadows. The next product I want to review today is this one. This is VELVETEEN Hydrating and Perfecting Pressed Powder Duet. I'm going to read to you a little bit about the product. It sounds very promising. This is for all skin types. GADE presents a premium anti-aging powder with the science of skincare, using an advanced formulation feature powerful actives to deliver anti-aging benefits. Sounds good. The silky soft skin perfecting and hydrating cream powder duet creates a healthy, radiant complexion fusing to skin for soft satin veil coverage. Skincare technology merges with an innovative powder process to imbue the formula with an extremely high percentage of emollients and serum ingredients. Through patented hydrating technology, a rich cream is combined with pure pigments and powder, resulting in a new generation of hybrid color that is purely radiant on all skin tones. I can't wait to put that into test. It sounds marvelous, exactly what I need. This is the compact itself. I think it's a very elegant and classic look, and it has a beautiful mirror and very comfortable. It has this nice puff for just blotting and putting the powder. It has this plastic to cover the product itself, and this is the product. I got it in 20, which is beige and natural. It's the lightest, I think. It has like this yin and yang look with 2 waves. I don't know if the camera catches it. This is it. This is the creation of the technology that gives you anti-aging and makeup in one product. So we're gonna try it in a minute. The other thing I got is this lipstick, and this is called True Color Satin Lipstick. I'm not going to use, I think, this color today because it's too brownish and darkish for what I want today, but I know GADE lipsticks are marvelous. Really, they are creamy, they stay on the lips, and the ingredients are great, and they don't cost that much. So I really urge you to go into the site jadecosmetics.com and really review for yourself the prices and the color range of all the products. Since I don't have GADE primer and GADE foundation, I'm going to use my usual foundation, the Elizabeth Arden Flawless Finish in the color 05 Natural, and I already primed my face with a Tarte Clean Slate. So I'm going to put 2 pumps. So my foundation is on, and now I'm going to try this miracle, or at least what it says, and now we will decide if it is a miracle or not. I'm considering to use this one that came with it, and I say, okay, if it came with it, then let's give it a try. I think I'm going to try half of my face with this little cute thing and half of it with a brush. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it inside and swirl it and put it on my face. Ooh. Well, I'm not sure I'm seeing any difference between the sides that I worked with this one or this one. I think that with the brush it was just faster and easier, that's all. If you see any difference between the side, then write to me in the comment, because I don't see any difference. So it's interesting to know what's your opinion. But I can say that this product, I mean, by now I'm in love. I think I have this little glow on my skin. It does hydrate. The skin really looks dewy, but like glowing from within in a very healthy way. So I'm gonna give a big thumbs up to this product. Okay, now that my foundation is on, I'm going to put some blush, highlighter, and of course bronze and contour, and I'll come back to you. So we will be checking this palette. Okay, I'm back, and one thing I have to say that I did not include officially this highlighting palette in the review, but it's something that I use almost every day. I'm in love with this palette. I made all my videos with this highlighting palette, and it has like 4 colors, bronzish, goldish, champagne, and pinkish. I love the pinky one, and just a wonderful product, so I have to put it in. And this is what I put today on my cheeks. So now we're moving on to the palette, and today I think I'm going to go with a gold look for the eyes and red lips, and this lipstick is as well from Jade. I had it before. It's not included in the new products. It's something that you see I already finished it. I'm just taking it with a brush, but I think it will suit the look that I want to create today. So I'm going to start with the eye look. I'm going to take this brush. I already primed my eyes with the Milani primer. So let's begin. Oh, it's so beautiful when it's not been touched yet. Okay. The look is going to be very simple. I'm just going to put the gold one, maybe a little brown. You know what? I'm going to start with the brown, yes. I'm starting with this transition color. And I'm going to choose this color for the transition, for the crease. I'm moving to this gold one. I'm going to try this brush. Okay, this brush is taking much more color from the palette. I'm going to take some more color and I'm going to wet the brush. Now I'm going to choose this color, the champagne white one. As you can see, I tried this one for this color. I don't know why he didn't work well with this brush. It has a different consistency, and even if I do a swatch, it's like, it's more powdery, it's very, very light, and you can hardly see it. But as the next layer over the gold, it looks good. So, and surprisingly, it worked better with this brush. So I'm happy I have both brushes so I can try them both. At this stage, I'm going to finish the eye look with this Jade High Precision Stylo Intense Black with the felt tip applicator. So I wanted to create a more graphic eyeliner that will remind us a little bit of a Marilyn Monroe look, the classic one. So now I'm going to put on some falsies because it's a classic golden eye Marilyn Monroe look, red lips, and falsies in a look like that, it's a must. So I put my falsies and I'll come back. So my lashes are on, and now we're going to complete the look with this nice lipstick from Jade. I feel this look is just too bold for me, and the red lips are too red, so I'm going to use the lipstick that I got and to just darken a little bit and maybe soften a little bit the look of the lips. I'm going to do a swatch before. If you have a darker tone, then these lips are going to be gorgeous on you. So you can wear this this eye look with nude lips. It will be beautiful. With coral lips will be beautiful. With the brownish nude lips will be beautiful. I hope the review was nice. I can conclude and say that I really loved the lipstick. It was a surprise for me that it was not the exact color that it looks. It was much lighter and much more wearable. I can say about the palette that I love the palette. I only used 2 colors from the palette, and I'm more than anxious to keep on using the other colors that are really, really, really beautiful and very wearable. And about the thing that I loved the most, that I liked the most, is the powder. I think my skin looks beautiful with this powder, and for me it's the most important things, because we can wear all kinds of eye colors and lips colors, but if the skin does not look good, then we did nothing. And you know, we can wear no lips and no eyes, and the foundation is good and the skin is glowing, and we nailed it. So for me, this product is definitely going to be an everyday product. I really urge you to go into the site of Jade, jadecosmetics.com, or you can find them in the Instagram. I will tag them in my Instagram photos and videos, and subscribe to me if you like my video. Give me the thumbs up and comment. Please comment and talk to me about things you want to see, about things that I do and you liked or you didn't like. I'm very open to suggestions. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.